Imagine finishing a secondary school but not knowing how to create an email, how to send an email, fill a university form, write a simple document. This is a sad reality of many Nigerian students. My name is Lukman Motibo. I'm presenting LearnFlow, an AI learning platform designed to transform the future of education for Nigerians. In Nigeria, many young people pass through our educational system without gaining the digital or practical skill needed to survive in the 21st century economy. Students like Bisola, secondary school graduates, but with the lack of guidance and not digital skill foundation, so many Nigerian students struggle to learn about technology. LearnFlow was born to change this reality. The Nigerian curriculum focuses on heavily theory and memorization. You can see that digital literacy, critical thinking, real-world problem solving are often missing. So you can see that every year, for example, during JAM registration, thousands of students struggle to create a Gmail account. Thousands of them, you can see that they don't have access to computer. As we know that the examination is a CBT exams. So our youth own smartphones, yet many don't know how to use Google Docs, Google Drive, or even search for important opportunities online that we have. So LearnFlow is just like a micro learning platform that delivers short personalized lesson. It teaches young people how to use essential digital tools, grow marketable skills, and connect real-world career opportunities. So powered by AI, each learner gets a path that suits their level, from learning how to send an email, researching like being a UI UX, or if somebody wants to be a full stack or maybe a data analyst. So while platforms like Coursera, Udemy, they're often too complex and then too foreign or maybe too expensive for many Nigerians. So LearnFlow is built by Africans for Africans, a simple, mobile-friendly, and a career-driving. We are not just teaching, we are empowering. Universities teaches theory, but 80% of the entry-level jobs demand practical skills, email communication, online collaboration, and basic research. Nigeria have the highest internet penetration, but only 28% of young people feel confident using digital tools for work. That's a huge potential audience for hungry, guided, skill-focused learners who want to learn digital tools. The solution is that you can see it's an AI-driven pathway where learners can take assessments, AI craft personalized courses roadmap, and then micro lessons, 1 to 5 minutes of a module, focus on doing, not just reading or maybe not just knowing. And then the practical projects, gig boards, real tasks you can add to your portfolio, and then you can apply it to gigs through our integrated boards. So, and then the benefit of that is that you can see LearnFlow turns theory into tangible skills, ready for the job market from the day one that you started using that. This is the LearnFlow framework, where we have a home page, that's the onboarding page. That's the first page that the user will see after creating an account. You can see that there will be a first 5 questions, that's AI quiz questions, personalized from your starting point. Then you can choose your learning modules. Each lesson spares like 4 to 5 minute video with an interactive exercise, just hand-on practice. Then after the practice, then there is a gig board, a marketplace of entry-level digital gigs applied by one click in using the skill that you gain from the LearnFlow. So our user point is that starting confusion, too many courses, not enough guidance, and then you can see learners don't know where to start, lack of practice, video lectures only. So even after learning, they can't find gigs to match their new skills. Recommendation from the feedback: reduce quiz from 10 to 50 to 5 questions, which is the AI driving question, which will be sorted by the AI. And then AI is still 95% accurate. So, and then every module ends with a mini project you can show based on the content of the module. And then build a live gig board to bridge learning and earning. A 5-question quiz uncovers the learner's current skill, level, and interest with their career goals. So AI uses the data that recommend just the right module, no more endless scrolling or maybe confusion. And then learners report 40% faster progress because they only see what matters. So what next? We will localize the content for African countries, and then we'll add like 50 plus new modules from Microsoft Office, basic coding, and then we will partner with integrated universities and employers for certification or maybe for direct job pipeline or maybe opportunities. And then to build a mentorship and internship programs for those that are participating. So for the mentorship, in case of guidance, and then what next after taking this, what next, or maybe after finishing this, what next? LearnFlow was created for youth like Bisola and many more. We believe education should be open doors for anyone, not leave any student confused and behind. Our platform bridges the education to employment gap by making learning personal and powerful. Nigerian future is not in oil only; it is in our youth. It is in our young people and students with dreams bigger than their environment. So with LearnFlow, we can equip them with the tools to succeed, create, and lead. So thank you for believing in the future we are building.